So the platform's also built to take out natural waste like algae out of the water as well. Why that's important is because when algae builds up on the top of the water, it stops sunlight coming into the water, and then you start getting a buildup of nitrogens and other kind of gases that you don't need, and that kills the life underneath. So if we're taking off the top of the algae surface, we're making the water less toxic immediately. The platform can also be used to be able to take out chemicals from water, marine fuels, oils, other chemicals that shouldn't be in the water. So all the platform does really is give us the ability to go autonomously through water and take out stuff that shouldn't be in there, and creating a better water environment for everybody. Our thinking for the future is that this is a device that's in the water. It's taking the plastic that shouldn't be in there out of the water, and at the same time it's sending us back critical data about the environment that it's operating in. So not only are we cleaning up the water before the trash gets taken out into the ocean, we're stopping that process before it gets out into the open water.